Ghosts of the Lighthouse. The wind howled through the cracks of the old lighthouse, a symphony of isolation that had become my lullaby. Nights on the island were always eerie, but there was a comfort in the routine of solitude. Until last night. As I sat with a cup of cold coffee, the beam of the lighthouse swept across the sea, illuminating a figure standing on the rocks below. My heart skipped a beat. No one else was supposed to be here. The chill that gripped me was more than just the sea breeze. It felt as if the island itself was warning me. With dawn breaking, I ventured down to the rocks, half hoping I had imagined it. The path was treacherous, lined with jagged stones and the remnants of old shipwrecks, tales of which the locals had long since stopped telling. It was here, among the scattered timbers and rusted metal, that I found a nameplate, the Siren's Call. A shiver ran down my spine. This ship had disappeared decades ago, taking with it stories of betrayal and death. And as I turned the plate over, I found a message carved into the wood: "She watches from the light." The day passed in a haze of unease, the image of a figure etched into my mind. As night fell, I returned to my post, unable to shake the feeling of being watched. The light from the tower swept across the ocean once more, and there she was, a woman in a tattered dress, her eyes locked onto mine. Panic surged through me, but something in her gaze was pleading. I felt a compulsion to understand, to uncover the truth hidden beneath the waves. I knew then that whatever tethered her spirit to this place was tied to the shipwreck and the secrets of hell. Driven by an inexplicable urge, I descended to the rocks once more, the light from the tower guiding my steps. As I reached the shore, the air grew thick with whispers, her voice mingling with the wind. "Find." I dug frantically through the debris, uncovering a chest that creaked with age. Inside lay logs of the ship's final voyage, a tale of mutiny and a captain's desperate act to save his crew from a storm. As I pieced together the story, the whispers subsided, leaving only silence. The figure was gone. Her vigil ended. That the island's curse was lifted, and I, the reluctant keeper, was left alone with the knowledge of what had truly transpired on that fateful night.